As you can see, version 24S2, OS build number 26100.560. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are keeping well. In my previous video, I have shown you how to download the Windows 11 24H2 ISO file on your computer step by step. But in this video, I will show you how to install the 24H2 version of Windows 11. Let's get started. First, locate your downloaded file. As you can see, Windows 11 Insider Preview. Right click on it and click on Mount. After mounting this, right click on the setup option and run as administrator. As you can see, the Windows 11 setup is opening right now and it's preparing to upgrade our computer. As you can see, setup will go online to get updates, drivers and optional features. These updates will help the installation go smoothly. You can include important fixes, updated device drivers and additional files which are not in the installation media. If you want to change the download update setup, you can click on this and clicking on next. Our Windows update is getting ready. It's checking my PC for the requirement to download this update and it passed, asking for terms and condition accept, and it's making sure that my computer is ready to install it. It will take couple of time. Let's wait and see what happens. As you can see, we have passed all the requirement and it's asking to install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files, and you can select what to keep. I'm leaving this as it is and click on install to upgrade your computer to Windows 11 24H2 version. So I'm clicking on install. So update is installing right now and it's on 1%. Wait until the installation is up to 100%. It will restart your computer several times, so don't be scared. Let's meet you after updating our Windows operating system. Our installation process of Windows 11 is nearly complete. It is at 87%. Soon it will begin to start the installation of Windows 11 and restart our computer. As you can see, our computer has restarted to install 24H2 operating system on our PC. So be patient until it finishes. Hey everyone, welcome back. As you can see, we have successfully updated our computer to Windows 11 24H2 version. Let's check, click on search and type WinVer and click on enter. As you can see, version 24H2, OS build number 26100.560. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials like this. Have a nice day.